In the kingdom of Eldoria, dragons were known for their fiery breath and fearsome nature. But Ember was different. Instead of roaring flames, he dreamed of creating colors, painting the sky in hues of wonder. While the other dragons trained to breathe fire, Ember would mix berries and flowers, using his claws to paint swirls of color on cave walls. Dragons breathe fire, not colors, the elders would remind him. You must learn to be fierce. But Ember didn't want to be fierce. He wanted to bring beauty to the world. One day, dark clouds gathered over Eldoria. The sky turned gray, and a powerful storm swept across the land. Days passed, then weeks, but the storm did not end. Crops withered, rivers swelled, and the people of Eldoria grew desperate. The king summoned the dragons. "Our kingdom is trapped in darkness," he pleaded. "Only the strongest dragon can burn away these clouds." One by one, the dragons took turns breathing fire at the sky, but the flames fizzled against the endless storm. The wind howled, and the rain kept falling. Then Ember stepped forward. "I want to try." The other dragons laughed. "You? What can colors do against a storm?" But the king, seeing the determination in Ember's eyes, nodded. "Let him try." Ember took a deep breath, feeling the warmth within him. But instead of fire, a stream of colors flowed from his mouth. Ribbons of gold, pink and blue swirled into the sky. The clouds did not burn away, but something magical happened. The colors mixed with the storm, turning the raindrops into shimmering hues. Slowly, the darkness began to lift, as the painted sky filled with light. Golden streaks broke through the clouds, casting warmth upon the land. The rain turned gentle, falling like liquid rainbows. The people of Eldoria gasped in wonder, stepping out of their homes to see the sky transformed into a masterpiece of color and light. The storm that had seemed endless finally faded. The sun shone once more, and the kingdom was saved, not by fire, but by beauty. From that day on, Ember was no longer seen as weak or different. He was celebrated as the dragon who painted the sky, the one who brought light when no one else could. And as the sun set each evening, the people of Eldoria would look up at the brilliant colors of dusk and remember the little dragon who dared to dream differently.